Hi everyone, I'm Colleen and this is Nate. We're Navigate with Colleen and Nate, where we share our travel adventures. We are a couple who love to travel, explore new places, and have fun along the way. Join us as we show you the best spots, where to eat, and tips and tricks for your next vacation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to navigate your world.
In this week's episode, we finally get a break in the weather and are able to make our way to Bimini Bahamas, where we check out Virgin Voyages Private Beach Club. From there, we'll take you along to the galley and show you how to enjoy a lunch on a port day, along with checking out the dock house as we relax on our final day aboard Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady.
Well, good morning, navigators from beautiful Bimini. Well, it's not too beautiful today, but that's okay. You can't win them all, but at least it looks like we are docking today, which is a much improved status over the last few days with impromptu sea days and then rescheduled ports to only have ports canceled. So today we're going to be going over there and checking out Bimini and seeing what it's all about. Hopefully the weather will hold up. I don't think we're supposed to get that much rain, and I think conditions are gonna improve later on in the day. Of course, I haven't checked the weather yet, so who the heck knows? But anyways, keep it right there. And we're heading out to Bimini with Virgin Voyages today. All right, we are pulling into Bimini right now. The dock behind me is probably one of the smallest docks I think I've ever pulled into. So this island is super small. In fact, if you look on a map, it's kind of, I think, almost lateral from Miami. It's really hard to find. It is a very small piece of land, but I can tell on a sunnier day, the waters are super blue here. Again, I'm hoping some of this cloud is gonna break up. Holding dry, I do see a little bit of blue out there. Maybe I'm being a little bit too optimistic, but hopefully we have some calmer seas today, and hopefully we'll have some sunshine later on today, because this place looks like it's absolutely gorgeous.
Good morning, navigators. So I think you already spoke to Nate this morning, but as you probably know from all of our previous vlogs, I tend to be the late riser between the two of us. So, but we are ready to go. We're actually docked at Bimini today. We're excited to get off the ship and check out the Bimini Beach Club and take you all along.
You didn't want to go on just a cruise to nowhere?
I honestly thought we were going to be on the cruise to nowhere, but it's overcast today, so probably not the best sunning day, but you know, I'm trying to be optimistic with my sunnies, my hat. You never know. Things may change.
Do you like Colleen's hat? Leave a comment down below. Nice looking hat. How's it feel to be back on land? Be kind of careful though here. There is like some definite gaps. I saw them putting out this plating this morning. It must be something to do with the pier to keep it from getting damaged. I'm guessing during some type of tidal event.
Maybe.
But it's a little wonky. But anyways, we are finally here. The sun is shining and we are making our way to the Bimini Beach Club. Are you excited, Colleen?
Very excited.
You make a little vibrating
I know,
noise.
it's like
Stick to the center.
Yeah.
All right.
So far it's great. It's nice and chill. It's overcast, but whatever. Coming from Florida, it's nice to have a little break from the sun. tram ride, super easy to all the tie downs. Very, very helpful team getting me on and off. So far so good.
So we found a spot to sit, which is always good. What time you got over there? 10:40. Almost every single chair around the pool is taken. Again, someone gave us that tip yesterday. They said, if you want to get a spot around the pool, you need to get up and get on those first set of trams, or else you will not be sitting by the pool. But there's plenty of ocean seating behind us. I don't know why people want to come to the Bahamas and sit around a pool. You could sit around on the beach, but that's just me. That's just me. So anyways, we're gonna shoot a little video around here and, I don't know, chill out for the morning. Hopefully the weather holds. All right, checking out the island here. Absolutely beautiful. Just talking with Michael. He's one of the locals here, works here. He's thinking about starting up a business next year if he's out here. I don't know, he's gonna do something with videography. He might even start a YouTube channel. Not sure. I was trying to talk him into doing it. It's very relaxing. Like Colleen was saying, overcast, but us Floridians love this weather. This is like our ideal weather, overcast. I know tourists hate this type of weather because a lot of people I know from up north and cold parts of the country, so they came here for sun, but we love these overcast days. Beautiful breeze blowing. Very, very nice. So just relaxing here. Gonna try to avoid running into people because no one likes that either. So anyways, keep it right here. I think we're gonna do lunch and I don't know, see what else the day holds. Down here, Bimini, actually meet a lot of people today. People see the camera and they really want to find out more about it. Really rough sea day out here. I don't know if I would be hopping in that water with those waves, but it's very, very nice. Again, for me, perfect weather. Does look a little stormy off. I don't know if you saw in the video, I shot some of the Moby mats. Those things are completely jacked up. So if you're in a wheelchair, I think those need to get fixed. It looks like sand is shifted over time. Not super accessible down here on the beach. Also, the chairs on the beach are really, really low. So I think that you're gonna run into some issues. You're probably better off staying up in the pool area where Colleen and I. There are also some cabanas up there. They were all sold out. I checked out the Rockstar cabanas, which were actually available this morning. They were $500 each. But I was worried about accessibility and I was right. It's just there's a Moby mat and then it's sand to the cabana. So you definitely don't want to do those if you're here. But anyways, I'm gonna get back to Colleen so she's not sitting by herself at the pool. And I think it's time, I think it's drink o'clock somewhere. How's things been going here?
Good, nice and quiet, some good people watching. I got a glimmer of sun, but then it went away quickly.
Yeah, you ready for a drinky poo?
I think so.
What would you like to do? What are we having today? Banana daiquiri?
Yeah, I was thinking like strawberry daiquiri, banana daiquiri, yeah.
All
something along those lines.
All right.
I can take that away from you. Cheers.
Cheers.
I feel like I taste a lot of lime.
Oh yeah?
Like it's iced lemonade, basically.
Yeah, there's no banana in that.
No.
I don't know what that is. I don't know what we got. Sorry. We got ourselves some nice. Was there any banana in your banana daiquiri?
There was nothing. Honestly, I think it was like a margarita, to be honest.
Yeah, I don't know. There was a little chaotic at the bar this morning, but we're actually going to call an audible because I'll be honest with you, the beach club's nice. The beach is very nice, very sandy. If you're from a cold climate and you just want to sit on the beach, perfect. The pool, it's fine. You know, the seating and the shade is kind of limited, and you know, it's like grilled chicken or something for lunch.
Yeah, for the lunch options. It looks like, you know, it's about 11:45 and they already started serving lunch. But Nate and I are just thinking like, why don't we just go back to the ship? We'll have it probably to ourselves since it seems like everyone's here now. And maybe have some lunch on the ship.
Yeah, and that way we have access to air conditioning and, well, The restrooms here are also supposed to be accessible, but it's just you have to go across those rickety things you saw Colleen trying to navigate on, like a little uphill. So that just doesn't sound like a fun time. So I think we're gonna vamonos, go now chill out on the ship, because we haven't actually sat outside on the ship all week. So
no, other than sail away, I've not been by the pool, haven't really done anything. So looking forward to actually enjoying the ship and the outside areas.
yeah, so we're gonna shoot a little film and go have a relaxing afternoon on a nice, quiet, I'm guessing probably empty ship at this point, because I think people are really anxious to get off. So, all right, so later, navigators.
Oh my God.
Colleen, what you doing over there?
Well, the room is like an ice box, but not quite cold enough. So, my good old Vornado travel fan, just trying to boost the chill. So where are we going for lunch, Nate?
I don't know. This one I'm about to take a look here. So let's check out the Virgin app. Let's see. The dock is open, so I think that's just a little bite. Dock house, and then I think the galley is it, because I got the hot off the press, noodle around, sweet side, burger bar, dinner dash, the daily mix, bento baby, let's taco about it, well bread, and pop star. I don't know what pop star. Oh, that's the little popsicle cart. That looks like that's about it for your lunch options. So it's the galley or nothing.
Or eat at Bimini.
That's true. You could eat at Bimini, but again, it didn't look like a bad lunch. It was just, well, let me get here in this light. There we go. It wasn't bad lunch, but just like grilled chicken. I was feeling like a burger today. I gotta get it's not a cruise without a cruise burger. Comment down below. What is your favorite lunch cruise food? Colleen, do you have a favorite lunch food?
Right now, sushi's kind of up there.
Okay, well, you can get sushi. That's the thing. You can get sushi up at the galley. Also, a key tip about the galley, you don't actually have to walk up to the stations and get the food yourself. You can just sit down in the galley, put the little ahoy flag up, and the people come over to you and they'll bring you drinks, they'll bring you whatever food you want. It's a lot better than kind of standing around and just waiting and chaos this morning. So just go to the galley, just sit down, put up your little flag, waiter will come over and take great care of you. So Colleen's gonna cool off, and then we are gonna see what is the deal with the ship. I think the ship's gonna be really quiet. So what are you getting there for lunch?
I'm going with the chicken Caesar salad. I am very excited. I feel like that's my staple go-to item, and especially I just need a little the food's been very healthy. There's been a lot more vegetable options, I would say, on this cruise than I've seen in others, but I just need a good old salad today.
So
what are we doing?
What's the matter there? What's the problem?
It's not a problem. I just don't eat hard-boiled eggs. I don't know. I'm weird, and it's hard-boiled eggs, and I'm trying to give Nate my fork and say, just eat them for me.
I don't want your eggs, lady.
But he won't eat them. But it's fine. I'll try to eat them.
That's good protein.
I know. I just don't like the solid yellow. Ugh. Does anyone else despise hard-boiled eggs? Let me know.
All right. I just want it for the record that I did eat Colleen's eggs, and now I'm going to enjoy my classic burger. The burger. Fries. Looks good. How are you doing?
Good, how about you,
Good.
sir?
Can I do a scoop of espresso and a scoop of chocolate in a cup, please?
No food allergies.
No food
sir.
allergies. Anyone else got food allergies?
No.
No food allergies? Okay, see, I'm helping you out today.
Yeah,
One.
have a good one.
Come on in. Where's Robbie?
What do you think of your ice cream?
Very good.
Would you
I went with
recommend?
strawberry malt. I feel like I wish I kind of found this place earlier in the cruise, to be honest, because it looks like a lot of great flavors. So we may have to make a couple trips back tonight, maybe tomorrow morning if they're open.
I've got what with the espresso chip and a little bit of the chocolate here too. And fun fact, immigration was on board and they're getting some ice cream. So hey, not a bad job. if you can get it, come check out the ship and then make sure you make your way to get some ice cream. All right, folks, so we've had lunch, we're ice creamed out. We're now sitting at the beautiful, what is this, the dock house?
Dockside
dock house.
Basically, the aft of the ship.
It's the aft of the ship. That's gonna be it for this vlog. Tonight we have coming up Pink Agave that will be on another Navigate the Plate, so make sure to check out that video. And then what are we doing after that?
We're gonna actually catch a show. It's gonna be our first on the cruise, but dual reality.
Yeah, so that's a acrobatics type
heard
of show.
a lot of great things about it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. We'd love to have you come along with us. We got a bunch more, when I say a bunch, we have a bunch more cruises.
We got a lot of cruises.
We have a lot of cruises, but it's been a great time here on Virgin Voyages. Upcoming podcasts, we will give you the complete breakdown of what we thought, so make sure to look out for that. Navigate with Us podcast, wherever you get your favorite podcasts. And as always, want to remind you to navigate your world.